Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the keel edge is clean, dry, and ready. That saves rework later. Next, choose the clamp size that leaves about 0.5 to 1. 5 mm clearance, this prevents deformation. Place the clamp jaw on the keel center line and thread the hand screw until it's snug, not tight. This holds position and lets you adjust. Once done, check alignment visually and with a straight edge because small offsets will compound as you continue. Now you transition to controlled tightening. Make quarter-turn increments on the screw and watch the keel for any lateral movement because sudden pulls bend metal. If specifications call for torque, use a torque wrench and target 5 to 12 Nm. This prevents overclamping. For longer runs, add secondary support clamps every 150 to 300 mm so load spreads evenly. Once the pattern is steady, recheck gaps and retighten the primary clamp to maintain even pressure across the joint. Finish by inspecting the entire clamped area for deformation, uneven gaps, or pressure points. These tell you if adjustment is needed. If a clamp slips, stop, clean both contact faces, insert a thin shim and red-eye tin in small increments. This restores grip without overforce. Remove clamps in reverse installation order to avoid shifting. Finally, verify alignment with your straight edge and secure permanent fasteners. If something still looks off,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.